Guys, welcome to today's video. It's epic. You got a horse, you got Manuel, and we've got a Hakka cultural experience. Stay tuned to the end of the video. What's up, B-Fun? I want to welcome you to Taipei. Now, I'm actually at this big event right now. Look at all these people. Everyone's happy. It's a huge festivity, and this is what I love to film the most. Guys, I want to welcome you to the 2020 Hakka Yimin Festival. This is actually the largest Hakka festival in Taiwan. All these people come from all corners of Taiwan to represent their Hakka culture, their heritage, and their customs. Here we got lots of people dancing. We got, whoa! Let's go! Woo! So guys, it's gonna be absolutely insane. I'm super excited to see what this festivity is about, see what activities are going on, and of course, to be here in such a rich environment. Okay guys, there's so much to do, so much to see. Let's get going. This is a boomba, and it's part of their dancing festival. They got this cute little donkey right here. Beautiful, 这个很漂亮。入境最初的一个活动，可以这样穿着。Manuel, it's your turn. Go, Manuel. You look good. 帅死了，对不对？Whole activity is actually really fun. 你们都知道我最爱的去参加一些绕境活动，还有庙会之类的。这个对我来说一样的开心，一样的热情。这边的人好多，这个环境蛮热情。So this is it. This is it. 还有很多人要继续跟每一个人有互动。Let's do this.
来，负责空的，我们来比个舞好不好？
咪咪呀呀，
一个舞，
咪咪呀呀，
西后开平安，
那个
咪咪呀呀，
对长辈这么样的亲切，会保护家人这样子。
咪咪呀呀，
对，那一米呀呀，它代表的就是一米呀呀，它代表就是我们台湾客家族群在台湾这片土地上保家卫国的忠勇之心。
我再一次，咪咪，干嘛老人跟你 ride？ 再一次，
呀呀，
咪咪呀呀，咪咪呀呀，
破墙壁土
當然入邊吹啊，帶定年吹出發嚟。
Have a happy Hakka festival. We actually now get the opportunity to pick this up on our shoulders. Okay, let's go.
好，放向前，摄影机、照相机，来。
我们今天呢，还有来自于我们国外的朋友们 ，Thank you for joining us our Hakka Festival。
谢谢。
好，我们看向最前方的摄影机哦。
走出希望，走出平安，走到我们的国父纪念馆，行出希望，行出平安，行多運。
所以这个是每一年度那个最大的客家文化活动，对不对？这个袋子里面有吃的，对不对？我们什么时候可以吃？到了再OK， 好。
中文讲的这么棒，
还好了吧？好，还好了。我就知道台湾的食物好多，所以肯定要学中文才能吃东西，对不对？
台湾的东西好吃，
好吃，这样子我才会变胖。
你变胖吗？没有，
有一点。 guys, that was the first little segment. We're almost halfway through the Guofu Jinianguan. Now we're going to jump back a little bit from the music. There's a whole different set of people. They're on the horses right here. 你回来了，你今天帅死了。
Thank you.
你是我的偶像。Hello。OK， 这是客家香肠，对不对？
对，客家香肠非常好吃，而且我们还包。
哇塞，花生对不对？黄多，Hey guys, I am ever so grateful that I can take you guys on this awesome experience for my first time joining in on the 2020 Hakka Yimin Festival. This is absolutely fun. I never knew things would be so heated, would be so adventurous, and have such a wonderful time here in Taipei. Manuel and I are so shocked. Yeah, bye-bye. So, it's been an absolutely fun time to be able to watch these people, to walk with them, and to be able to celebrate their Hakka heritage. Well, guys, once again, thank you, Manuel, for joining the madness with me once again, guys. I think you all know what to do. Make sure you hit like, hit subscribe, share this video in the comments down below. I want you guys to write what your very favorite part of the Hakka culture is. I made a really cool, in-depth video of Hakka culture. Definitely check that out. Otherwise, guys, I think you all know what to say. Hey, Bay, Kwai Lai Bay. Mijiang万岁！
就是我小贝米浆，今天太好了吧，对不对？大家过来，我们一起快乐，我们一起喝米浆，同一眼光炒米浆 ，Let's go！我每天都在想想，要不要炒米浆？嘿。